Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Nova Y61 to an Android device. You need to start by opening App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. We will start with Huawei. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. On an Android though, you will see this kind of pop-up. If you want to, you can click on Not Now or don't click at all and close it by choosing OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Huawei and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window. Now go back to Huawei and click on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of your files. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen files, in my case this one photo, and choose Send as well. Finally, click on Got It in the pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your Android's camera at the code. You can also pick this method. Click on Input key section over here. Type in all of those numbers, we have a lot of time to do it. And connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, in the matter of seconds, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!